Did you know that a lot of cordless vacuums on the market either lose suction fast or struggle with typical US home messes? In a world where companies often hype features over performance, finding the right cordless vacuum isn't just convenient, it's a game changer. In this video, I'm breaking down the best cordless vacuums for US home. These models are powerful, easy to use, and built to last. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share one critical mistake almost everyone makes when buying a vacuum, and trust me, it could save you hundreds. Chapters and Amazon links are in the description. And if you find this helpful, hit that subscribe button. It really helps us keep making content like this for you. Before you drop $200 plus on a flashy model, let's break down what really matters. First, let's talk about battery life and charging time. You want at least 30 to 70 minutes of runtime so you can finish your floors in one go, and a fast recharge means you're not waiting around for hours between uses. From there, consider suction power and floor compatibility. A vacuum that handles hardwood, carpet, tile, and rugs with adjustable settings will make cleaning effortless. Most homes do well with 10,000 to 30,000 Pascal depending on floor type. Moving on, weight and maneuverability play a huge role. Lightweight models with swivel heads make stairs, furniture, and tight corners easy to reach, while also reducing fatigue. Paired with that, noise levels can't be ignored. Quieter vacuums are perfect if you have pets or kids napping during your cleaning sessions. And while we're at it, don't forget filtration. HEPA filters trap dust, pollen, and allergens, keeping your home healthier and your vacuum performing better over time. Next up, think about attachments and versatility. Crevice tools, motorized heads, and upholstery brushes help you clean every nook and cranny without switching devices. And no matter how perfect it looks, always check warranty and US-based customer support. You'll thank yourself if anything goes wrong. The biggest mistake people make is buying a vacuum just because it looks sleek or has a big brand name. Battery life, suction, and durability are the real game changer. To make your decision easier, we've rounded up 5 top cordless vacuums for different needs, all available on Amazon, links in the description. At number 5, we have the Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, LVAC 200, a lightweight and versatile stick vacuum designed for quick daily cleaning with minimal effort. Its tangle-resistant brush and powerful suction make it perfect for tackling everything from carpets and hard floors to pet hair and cat litter. This 6.2-pound vacuum offers up to 50 minutes of runtime in eco mode using the crevice or pet tool, 30 minutes with the standard vacuum head, and 12 minutes in turbo mode, giving you plenty of flexibility depending on your cleaning task. Its lightweight design and 180 degrees flat-laying capability make it easy to reach under furniture, while 3 built-in LED lights help spot dust and debris in hard-to-see areas. The Levoit includes a 2-in-1 pet tool for hair removal and a dusting brush/crevice tool for tricky spots, making it a great choice for homes with pets or kids. Customers love how easy it is to carry up and down stairs, its effective suction, and the 3 different cleaning modes. While most praise the battery life, a few note occasional issues with holding a full charge. Still, its performance and lightweight design make it a popular pick, with over 20,000 users purchasing it last month. Who should buy this? Perfect for anyone who wants a cordless, lightweight vacuum that's easy to maneuver around the house and effective on multiple surfaces. For the latest prices, check the links in the description. At number 4, we have the Bissell Power Clean Fur Finder Cordless Vacuum, a top pick for pet owners and busy households. Designed to capture hidden pet hair and fine dust, it features Fur Finder headlights that illuminate debris in corners, under furniture, and along baseboards. With a 200 watts motor and tangle-free brush roll, this vacuum makes quick work of embedded pet hair without the hassle of tangles or clog. The Power Clean offers up to 40 minutes of cordless cleaning and easily converts from a stick vacuum to a handheld or high-reach tool, so you can tackle stairs, upholstery, and even car interiors. Its self-standing design provides convenient pauses during cleaning or charging, while the removable battery ensures you can extend runtime if needed. Safety and hygiene are also covered with a HEPA-sealed allergen system, capturing dust and allergens to prevent them from escaping back into your air. It includes a crevice tool for hard-to-reach spaces and the Fur Finder attachment for deep cleaning carpets, couches, and chairs. Weighing just 7.1 pounds and powered at 25.2 volts, this vacuum is lightweight, easy to maneuver, and ideal for quick daily or detailed cleaning. Customers love its effectiveness on hardwood floors, pet hair removal, and the built-in headlights, which make vacuuming almost addictive. Battery life receives mixed feedback, with some saying it lasts a a long time and a few finding it inadequate, but overall, ease of use, powerful suction, and versatility make it a favorite. Over 20,000 units were purchased last month, proving its popularity. This is perfect for pet owners, families, or anyone wanting a powerful cordless vacuum that's easy to handle, effective on multiple surfaces, and packed with smart features. You can grab it now on Amazon via the links in the description. Next up, number 3 delivers an even longer runtime for tackling big cleaning job. At number 3, we have the Venheidli Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a powerhouse for homes that need high suction, smart features, and long runtime. With its 50,000 Pascal brushless motor, this vacuum effortlessly picks up dust, pet hair, crumbs, and deeply embedded dirt from carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles, making everyday cleaning quick and efficient. One of its standout features is auto dust detection, which intelligently adjusts suction based on how much dirt is detected, helping save battery while optimizing cleaning performance. You also have manual low, medium, and high modes for more control. With the removable 8 by 2,500 mAh battery, the vacuum offers up to 70 minutes of runtime at minimum power, enough to cover large areas, and recharges fully in just 4 to 5 hours via the included wall mount. The LED touchscreen adds convenience, showing battery level, suction mode, dustbin status, and brush roller clogs in real time. Its self-supporting upright design allows you to leave it standing anywhere safely, while the flexible anti-tangle V-shaped brush rotates horizontally 180 degrees and vertically 90 degrees to reach corners. And the LED headlight ensures no dust goes unnoticed. Weighing just 5.95 pounds, it's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and ideal for homes with pets. Customers love its powerful suction, versatility across surfaces, and ease of use, noting that assembly is simple and the dustbin is easy to empty. Many highlight it as excellent value for money, ideal for quick cleanups or whole home cleaning. Who should consider this? Perfect for pet owners and busy households who want a long runtime, high suction cordless vacuum that's intelligent, lightweight, and easy to use. All the best buying links are in the description. Next, number 2 offers even more smart features and optimized cleaning for bigger homes. At number 2, we have the AidTips Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a high-performance, versatile stick vacuum that's perfect for tackling everything from daily crumbs to stubborn pet hair. Powered by a 600 watts brushless motor, it delivers up to 50k Pascal of suction, with 3 adjustable speeds to customize cleaning for hardwood floors, tiles, carpets, and more. Its advanced V-shaped anti-tangle brush penetrates deep into carpet fibers while preventing hair clogs, ensuring a thorough clean every time. One of its highlights is the upgraded battery system. 8 high-capacity removable batteries provide up to 70 minutes of runtime in eco mode or 20 minutes at maximum suction. The wall-mounted charger makes storage and charging convenient, saving space while keeping your vacuum ready for action. The self-supporting upright design means it stands on its own during breaks, freeing your hands without tipping over. The 1.8-liter dustbin is large enough to hold plenty of debris, and the single-handed release lets you empty it without mess. The colorful LED display keeps you informed at a glance, showing suction mode, green for eco, yellow for standard, red for turbo, battery life, dust capacity, and blockages. 6 LED lights on the head illuminate hidden dust and debris, ensuring no corner is missed. Customers love this vacuum for its long battery life, powerful suction, and ease of use, noting it works well on multiple surfaces and makes cleaning effortless. Many highlight its effectiveness on pet hair and short pile rugs, while praising the lightweight design and simple dustbin removal. This is ideal for pet owners and busy households looking for a long runtime, powerful, and versatile cordless vacuum that's easy to maneuver and maintain. Want to know the latest prices? Just check the links in the description. Next, number 1 offers ultimate suction power, high-capacity batteries, and 70-minute runtime for whole home cleaning. At number 1, we have the JRF YHFT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful and versatile stick vacuum designed for whole home cleaning. Equipped with a 600 watts brushless motor, it delivers up to 50k Pascal suction, making it highly effective at lifting dust, dirt, hair, and debris from carpets, hardwood, and tile floors. The vacuum operates at a low noise level, under 62 dB, ensuring a quieter cleaning experience. The 70-minute runtime comes from 8 by 2,800 mAh high-capacity batteries, allowing you to clean your entire home on a single charge. It also features fast 4-hour charging, and the battery is replaceable for extended cleaning sessions. The large 1.8L dust cup with one-touch release reduces the frequency of emptying, while the OLED display shows real-time info on suction levels, dust fullness, and clogging. This 8-pound vacuum also includes a V-shaped anti-tangle brush with comb teeth to prevent hair wrap, and green LED lighting on the brush head for illuminating hidden dirt in corners. The self-standing design allows it to stand upright during breaks, and the wall-mounted charging dock doubles as accessory storage for brushes and crevice tools. An 8-stage high-efficiency filtration system captures up to 99.99% of fine dust and bacteria, keeping your indoor air clean. Customers praise this vacuum for its strong suction, long battery life, and convenient features like the large dustbin, multiple suction modes, and effective cleaning on both carpets and hard floors. Many consider it an upgrade from their previous vacuums. This is perfect for homeowners and pet owners who need a high-powered, long-lasting, and versatile cordless vacuum capable of tackling various floor types with minimal maintenance. You can grab it now on Amazon via the links in the description. Alright, that's our roundup of the best cordless vacuums for US homes. And hey, if you want an even simpler option for everyday cleaning, check out this video on the 5 best steam mop for US home. Thank you.